Do you want those boulder shoulders that pop in every shirt? The kind that scream power, symmetry, and athletic dominance? Today, I'm revealing 8 unique pro-level shoulder exercises I've used with NFL athletes and bodybuilders for over 30 years to build massive 3D delts fast, with perfect form and injury-proof control. Let's turn your shoulders into armor. This exercise targets all 3 heads of the deltoid in one smooth arcing motion. A secret variation few know. Start with dumbbells at shoulder height. Instead of pressing straight up, press in a curved arc. Out, up, then slightly inward over your head. Control the eccentric. That's where the growth happens. Soft knees, core tight. Don't lock elbows at the top. Keep continuous tension throughout. This movement isolates the medial delts for that round capped look. Grab the low pulley with one hand and lean away from the machine about 30 degrees. Raise the cable until your arm is parallel to the floor. Slow motion close-up of the deltoid muscle contracting during the lateral raise. Dramatic lighting highlights the muscle definition and the peak contraction. Pause 1 second at the top. Feel the burn. Keep pinky slightly higher than thumb. Avoid shrugging shoulders. The classic modified press that builds front and side delts together. Sit tall, dumbbells in front of you, palms facing you. Rotate outward as you press up, twisting wrists until palms face forward at the top. Lower slowly with full control. Don't clank weights at the top. Elbows just below shoulder level at start. This is your rear delt builder, often neglected, but key for that 3D shape. Set the machine so handles are shoulder height. With a slight bend in elbows, pull arms out and back. Back view shot clearly showing rear deltoid contraction and shoulder blade squeeze. Dramatic lighting emphasizes the often neglected rear deltoid muscles. Squeeze shoulder blades together. Hold 1 second. No jerking. Keep core tight. Focus on slow contraction, the king of compound shoulder movements. Feet shoulder width apart. Grip just outside shoulders. Press bar overhead. Chin slightly back to clear path. Front angle capturing the pressing motion and bar path. Camera follows the barbell from chest level to overhead position. Lower under control to chin level. Engage core. Avoid arching back. Use full range, not momentum. A killer hybrid move. Front and lateral delts in one circuit. Raise dumbbells to the front. Pause. Lower halfway. Then swing out to sides. Control the negative both ways. Perform 8 to 10 reps for maximum pump. Keep wrists neutral. Avoid swinging. Move deliberately. This is a hidden gem for sculpting upper and rear delts. Lie chest down on an incline bench. Hold light dumbbells and lift arms in a Y shape. Overhead camera angle clearly showing the Y-shaped formation of the arms during the movement. Dramatic top-down lighting. Hold for 1 second at top. Squeeze rear delts. Light weights only. Lead with elbows, not hands. This finisher blows up the side delts and traps, giving your shoulders that complete 3D look. Attach a rope handle to a low pulley. Pull straight up to upper chest, elbows leading. Slowly return until arms are straight. Keep chest up, no jerking. Stop when elbows reach shoulder height. Now you've got the blueprint to build massive, perfectly rounded 3D shoulders. The kind that command respect and radiate power. Train smart, stay consistent, and remember, form creates the foundation. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Wisdom Views, and drop 3D in the comments so I know you're part of the movement. Stay strong, stay faithful. Your transformation starts now.